Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to enable dark theme on Google Keep. So if you also want to enable dark theme on Google Keep, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open Google Keep application. You can see over here Google Keep is opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now at the top left corner, you can see three lines. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see several options over here. At second last, you can see option for settings. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see several settings options. You can see display options, reminder defaults, sharing. Under the display options, you can see option for theme. All you have to do is tap on it. Now this kind of box will appear. You'll have to choose your theme. Here you can see three options: light, dark and system default. All you have to do is tap on the dark theme. Now you can see over here dark theme is enabled. So that is how you enable dark theme on Google Keep. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.